One thing that leads to many spelling mistakes is commonly confused words. These are words that sound the same, but they're spelled differently and have different meanings. So it's very important to know the spelling and meanings of these words in order to use them correctly. So your commonly confused words are your pesky words like your, there, where. Then, than, to, affect, and effect. First set we're going to talk about is your. So Y-O-U apostrophe R-E means you are. For example, that would be used when you're saying you are smart, you are an amazing athlete, you are a good student. The next one is your, Y-O-U-R. This would be used when you're saying it belongs to you. So this is your pencil, this is your backpack, this is your basketball. These are all things that belong to you, and that's how we use that word. Then we have the set of there, and there. The first one is there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, and this is used when you're saying they are. This is very similar to your. You'd say they are smart, they are athletic, they are kind. And you would use the word there. The next one we have is their, T-H-E-I-R, which is similar to your, and this is when we're saying it belongs to them. So it is their basketball, it is their lunch, it is their homework. Then we have their, T-H-E-R-E, which is a place. So the basketball is over there, or I left my pencil there. Then we have our next set, were. So W-E apostrophe R-E means we are. This is similar to your and there, you are and they are. So were, we are would be used and when you would say we're playing basketball after school, or we're going to the park, or we're intelligent. Then we have where, W-E-R-E, which is the past tense of are. So we were going to the park yesterday, we were doing our homework, we were listening to music. Finally, in this set we have where, W-H-E-R-E, and this is used to ask about location. So where did you leave your headphones? Where did you go to school? Where did you go on vacation? The next set is then and than. These have two different meanings. So then, T-H-E-N, is a point, a specific point in time. So you would use that as in instructions when you would say, first you do step A, then you do step B. Or you might use it as, I went to the store, then I went to the movies. Than is, T-H-A-N, is a word used to compare two things. So you might say, I am a better teacher than Miss Wood, or you might say, Miss Wood is a better teacher than me. Next, we have to, and to. T-W-O, it means the number 2, which you should be familiar with, as in 2 plus 2 equals fish or 4 or whatever it means. Then you have to, T-O. This indicates motion. So I kicked the ball to my friend. I went to the movies. Then finally we have to, T-O-O, and this means also or excessively. So you might say, I went to the store and I went to the movies too. So that's saying as well. I need to do my science homework and I need to do my English homework too. Finally, we have affect and effect, and these might be the most confusing of them. But if you remember what I'm about to tell you, it'll make a lot more sense. So affect, A-F-F-E-C-T, is a verb. It's very important to know that affect is a verb, and it means to impact or change something. Then effect, E-F-F-E-C-T, is a noun, and it is used to say what the result of the change is. So for example, you might say, the pollen in the air affects my lungs, so it changes my lungs, but when I use my inhaler, the effect is better breathing. So knowing these tricks and knowing the definitions of these words and their spellings will change your spelling understanding a lot.